Good morning, student. Today we are going to study the beautiful and inspiring poem that means you start dying slowly. Now, you start dying slowly means you are losing your hopes slowly. We'll read the first stanza. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. If you do not travel, now here the Nobel Prize winner Pablo Neruda wants us to live life fully and not negatively or idly. He tells us to all, or he tells to the folk to come out from their shells, to come out from their house and travel to different places and also experience new things. Then in a next line, if you do not read, here the poet further asks us to read more. He says that because life is so small and it is difficult to get all the experiences in the life. So to see and feel the unseen, we must read something all the time. We try to read new things in our life. Then in the third line, the poet says, if you don't listen to the sound of life. Here the poet asks us to listen the sounds of life. That means to listen and understand the moods of life. Listening to the life sound or may include listening to the several voices. That means listening to the music and listening to the music of nature. But we can learn to listen also the silence. One who understands the sound of the silence can win everything. Then in the fourth line, the poet says, if you do not appreciate yourself, if you do not praise yourself, if you do not admire yourself, that time you start dying slowly. That means if we do not appreciate ourselves for our good deeds, or fail to praise ourselves, or fail to encourage ourselves, that time we can say that how can we improve the encouragement in others. So when we fail to do all these things in the first stanza, that time we start losing hopes for a happy life. You start dying slowly. म्हणजे केव्हा तुम्ही हळूवारपणे तुमच्या अपेक्षा नष्ट करत आहात, तुमच्या आशा, तुमची स्वप्न ही हळूवारपणे कमी होत आहेत, असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. फर्स्ट स्टांजा, इफ यू डू नॉट ट्रॅव्हल, जर तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी प्रवास करत नसाल. इफ यू डू नॉट रीड, जर तुम्ही वेगवेगळी पुस्तकं वाचत नसाल. इफ यू डू नॉट लिसन टू द साऊंड ऑफ लाईफ, जर तुम्ही जीवनाचे वेगवेगळे आवाज ऐकत नसाल, जीवनातले वेगवेगळे आवाज जर तुम्ही कानी घेत नसाल. इफ यू डू नॉट ॲप्रिशिएट युअरसेल्फ, जर तुम्ही स्वतःचेच कौतुक करत नसाल, यू स्टार्ट डाईंग स्लोली, तर तुम्ही हळूवारपणे तुमच्या अपेक्षा संपवत आहात you are losing your hopes gradually. In the second stanza, the poet says, when we kill our self-esteem, when we kill our self-respect, when you do not let others help you, you start dying. Color, caste, or religion, creed, social, some differences, that means our social status, intellectual differences, can't make anything that that person is a superior or that person is inferior. But as a human being, we really think we are inferior to others. We do not lose our self-respect. Where we are not ready to respect ourselves, then how can we expect from others? That time we cannot expect from others that they should give us a respect. So at first we should give respect to ourselves. That means a self-esteem. Then next line, when you do not let others help, when we don't mix in society or stop communicating with the other people, we stop them coming near us, naturally we stop them for helping us. In other words, we can say that how can we expect it from others? If ourselves close all doors of hopes, remains gloomy or loneliness, that time these all the things in the second stanza make us negative or increase loneliness, and that these things make our life so worse. In the second stanza, when you kill your self-esteem, जेव्हा तुम्ही स्वतःचेच मन मारता, सेल्फ इस्टीम म्हणजे स्व आदर, जेव्हा तुम्ही स्वतःचा आदर नष्ट करता, when you do not let others help you, जेव्हा तुम्ही इतरांना तुम्हाला मदत करू देत नाही, you start dying slowly. त्यावेळेला तुम्ही तुमच्या अपेक्षा हळुवारपणे नष्ट करत आहात, असा त्याचा अर्थ. In the third stanza, the poet says, if you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or if you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. In first line, the poet says, if you become a slave of your habits. Now here habits, especially bad habits, are so easy to have in our lives, and we easily become a slave of these habits, which in the end can harm us a lot. So we must recognize them in time and shoo them away. And on the other hand, good habits are really difficult to follow in the beginning, but once we have accepted them, they are really great to help in molding our personality as well as our future. In the next line, the poet says, walking every day on the same path. Here the poet asks us to change the old paths, means to change the attitude in our inner life and see the things, find the new things with a new dimension, new way. It may be things related to our life or career or any innovation. As a colorful butterfly gets mixed in the nature, we must wear new colors and get mixed in society. So here the poet says, if you do not wear different colors. If we do not wear different colors, that time we cannot mix in the society. These colors may be different emotions like joys or sorrows, not only the colors of our clothes, but it is also colors of emotions, colors of sorrow, joys, loyalty, disloyalty, ups and downs, goods or evils. We must acknowledge them all. We must understand these all things. If we do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. To get all the things, we must talk to all the people and to unknown persons to explore our life. And if we fail to do these all the our life, that time our life becomes so boring. So we should start innovative things in our life. Third stanza. If you become a slave of your habits. जर तुम्ही तुमच्या सवयीचे गुलाम होत असाल, वॉकिंग एव्हरी डे ऑन द सेम पाथ, दररोज एकाच मार्गाने प्रवास करत असाल, इफ यू डू नॉट चेंज युअर रुटीन, जर तुम्ही तुमचे दैनंदिन जीवन बदलत नसाल, इफ यू डू नॉट विअर डिफरंट कलर्स, जर तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या रंगांना अंगीकारत नसाल, or you do not speak to those you don't know, त्याचबरोबर जे लोक तुम्हाला परिचित नाहीत अशा लोकांशी तुम्ही जर बोलत नसाल, यू स्टार्ट डाईंग स्लोली, त्यावेळेला तुम्ही हळुवारपणे नष्ट होत आहात. तुम्ही तुमच्या आशा हळुवारपणे नष्ट करत आहात असा या ठिकाणी अर्थ होतो. In the third stanza, the poet says, if you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat faster, you start dying slowly. In the first line, the poet says, if you avoid to feel passion. All of us have dreams or ambitions. We feel them, and if we strive to get them, when we become successful after chasing the dreams, he knows how consistent efforts are needed. What flame of emotion? Turbulent emotions means flame of emotion, unsteady emotions is required there in mind. These unsteady emotions are required in our minds, which makes our heart beat fast, and the shine the eyes is worth remembering. The feeling of success or taste of success is the best in the world. So we should always feel these turbulent emotions. We should experience the spark of eyes. We should take the experience of heart beating. That time when we avoid our such emotions to try to do great things, then our emotional life ends somewhere and we start dying mentally. So we should care about these emotions. If you avoid to feel passion, जर तुमच्या मनातल्या उत्कट इच्छा या समजून घेण्यास तुम्ही स्वतःच टाळाटाळ करत असाल, अँड देअर टर्ब्युलंट इमोशन, त्याचबरोबर तुमच्या मनामध्ये निर्माण होणाऱ्या अस्थिर भावना या जर जाणून घेण्यास तुम्ही दोज विच मेक युअर आईज ग्लिसन, किंवा अशा भावना की ज्यामुळे तुमचे डोळे हे चकाकू शकतात, विस्मयाने, आनंदाने त्याच्यामध्ये डोळ्यामध्ये चमक येऊ शकते, या जर भावना तुम्ही टाळत असाल, अँड युअर हार्ट बीट फास्ट, त्याचबरोबर तुमच्या हृदयाची धडधड तुम्ही जर गमावत असाल, त्याची अनुभूती जर घेत नसाल, यू स्टार्ट डाईंग स्लोली, तर तुम्ही तुमच्या अशा अपेक्षा नष्ट करत आहात असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. नाउ इन दिस लास्ट स्टांजा ऑफ दिस पोएम, द पोएट सेज, इफ यू डू नॉट चेंज युअर लाईफ when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your life to run away from this sensible advice. In the first two lines, the poet says, if you do not change your life, if you do not change your life, our life become monotonous, our life becomes so boring. One must to do the job of his or her liking only, otherwise it becomes a burden job. So we must be very careful while selecting our career. Then next line, the poet says, when you are not satisfied with your job. Now here many of us do the work or job which we really did not mean to do, but some of the things stop us, making us dissatisfied from within. Then in the next line, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your life to run away from this sensible advice. If we do not want to take risk, if we don't want to come out from the comfort zone or our imaginary boundaries, we don't challenge the talent within us at the proper time. In the span of life, we forget that we had some talent once. So at least once in our lifetime, we do not allow ourselves to chase our dreams. If we do not allow ourselves to move from our so-called permanent place, then we start dying slowly. We are losing our hopes gradually. If you do not change your life, जर तुम्ही तुमचे जीवन बदलत नसाल किंवा तुम्ही तुमच्या नोकरीमध्ये व्यवसायामध्ये जर समाधानी नसाल, यू आर नॉट सॅटिस्फाईड विथ युअर जॉब और विथ युअर लव, किंवा तुमच्या प्रेमामध्ये तुम्ही समाधानी नसाल, इफ यू डू नॉट रिस्क व्हॉट इज सेफ फॉर द अनसर्टन, अनिश्चिततेच्या भीतीमुळे तुम्ही सुरक्षित जीवनामध्ये जोखीम पत्करण्यास तयार होत नसाल, इफ यू डू नॉट रिस्क व्हॉट इज सेफ फॉर द अनसर्टन, इफ यू डू नॉट गो आफ्टर अ ड्रीम, जर तुम्ही तुमच्या स्वप्नांचा पाठपुरावा करत नसाल, गो आफ्टर टू फॉलो द ड्रीम्स, इफ यू डू नॉट अलो युअरसेल्फ, जर तुम्ही स्वतःलाच परवानगी देत नसाल, अँड ॲट लिस्ट वन्स इन युअर लाईफ टू रन अवे फ्रॉम धिस सेन्सिबल ॲडवाइस, अँड ॲट लिस्ट कधीतरी जीवनामध्ये एकदा तरी आपण स्वतःचे आयुष्य बदलून टाकण्यासाठी या या संवेदनशील ज्या सल्ल्यांना झुगारून, या सुरक्षित जगण्याचे जे सल्ले आहेत ते झुगारून आपण एकदा तरी आपण स्वतःला संधी देऊन पाहिली पाहिजे.